Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'll show us how to clear your cart. If you want to delete all the items in your cart, I'll show us how to do it in a very short time. You don't have to delete all the items one after the other. There is a way you can delete everything at once. But before I go into this, what is the importance of clearing your cart? There is one importance. I'll let us know now. So when you want to use a discount code on Temu, for instance, you want to use the cyber sale discount code. Right now, Temu is doing the cyber week sale. You get up to 80% off. Okay. So you want to access this sale, you just search ACY 077290 and you click on search. All right. Usually they might offer you something else alongside with this discounts that is going on. Right now, I'm being offered the gifts. You can go and accept if you're interested, but then I'll cancel it so that I can go on to show us what I want to talk to us about. So once you click on the code, you just have to shop from here, from the page you're being shown. When you're about to check out, you definitely notice the discounts, okay? That's how it works. Now, the importance of clearing your Temu carts before searching this code is this: you increase your chances of getting, more discounts. So it's advisable that your cart is empty. Just clear it, okay? Make sure you have nothing in your cart, okay? So just make sure you have nothing in your cart, all right? I would advise that you rather add things to your wish list, okay? Add things to your wish list. That way you're telling the Temu app what you're actually interested in. Add items to your wish list. Do not add them to your cart, okay? Once you've added items to your wish list, then go ahead and search the code I just showed us, ACY077290. And then shop from the page. And when you're about to check out, you will definitely notice the discounts. Now, that is the importance of clearing your carts. Now, let's go to my carts and I'll show you how to clear everything at once, all right? Now, I have a lot of items in my cart here, so I want to clear them. Click on this sign right here and you click on manage carts. It's going to show everything you have in your carts. Now, I'll click on all and then I click on remove. And just like that, my cart is empty. Your shopping cart is empty. Just like that, okay? Just like that, my shopping cart is empty. You see, I didn't have to start deleting everything one after the other. That would take a lot of time. Assuming I have over 100 items in my cart, just imagine I'm deleting everything one by one. That means I'll waste a lot of time doing that. But with this way I just showed us, you can do it easily, like in 2-3 seconds you're done. I hope you've learned something from this video. If you have, please like, share and subscribe. You can ask any question you have about the Temu app or how to use it, and if I have a reply to that or an answer to that, I'll definitely reply you in the comment section. Thank you for watching to this point and see you in my next video. Bye.